name is Randy Hoyt, and I'm the inventor of the Bladz-Lok mower blade removal tool specifically designed for riding lawnmowers. The two major advantages of this tool are: one, you leave the deck attached to the mower, which saves about an hour to 2 hours of time right there. And two, you only have to raise the mower 4 inches off the ground or more in order to use the tool. Now, this specific tool is made in the USA. That's designed for the 99% of the blades in the US that are the typical flat blade, which slides right in the slot, or mulching blades, gator blades, or in this case, a high lift blade. The high lift blade slides right in. Now, this tool installs in 3 easy steps in less than 60 seconds. Now, as I grew up, I was taught, watching my dad, to use wood blocks to wedge the blade. The problem was every time he took pressure off the blade, the block would just fall to the ground. So with this tool, you can get rid of the 4x4. You can get rid of the 2x4. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use the Bladz-Lok tool. And on this mower, the belt tensioner doesn't work correctly. That's the only time I've ever taken it off. So first, I put the solid end over blade 1. Then I rotate blade 1 and 2 together. And then I turn it 90 degrees down, 90 degrees down to where I've got both blades locked. And so then I take my extension and I loosen blade 1. And on a 3-blade mower, you want to loosen the center blade, but leave it on. Have a point. You'll have a leverage point. So I've got blade 2 loose. The Bladz-Lok tool. That's how you remove the blades on a 3-blade mower. You've seen the process of removing the blades, and you can sharpen, replace, clean out the mower deck, and then replace the blades with this new Bladz-Lok tool. Remember that it's made in America on a special laser cutting process to an exact length and slot dimension for the safest and easiest to use tool for removing mower blades. So if you'd like more information on the Bladz-Lok tool, go to www.bladz-lok.com, or just in your browser you can enter in Bladz-Lok and take you right to the website, Bladz-Lok.